Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Today I am going to teach general knowledge. So take your general knowledge book. Today I am going to teach fifth lesson. The name of the lesson is sports, outdoor games and their names. In this lesson we are going to learn about outdoor games and their names. The name of the lesson is, repeat after me children, sports. Today we are going to learn about some sports and outdoor games and their games. Sports help us to exercise our bodies. So sports helps us to exercise our body, have fun and make friends. So sports helps us to exercise our body, have fun with our friends. Outdoor games helps us to know the importance of working as a team. So outdoor game helps us to know the importance, to know the value of working in a team. So it will be helpful to make fun with our friend and it will be easy to complete our work easily. So outdoor games helps us to know the importance of working as a team. Sports can be divided into two types. So this sports divided into how many types? Very good, two types. One is indoor game and the another one is outdoor game. Repeat after me children. Sports can be divided into two types. One is indoor and the another one is outdoor. Let us learn about a few indoor games. So now let us learn a few outdoor games. Badminton. First we will learn about badminton. Badminton was first played as a sport in the Olympic in 1992. So in the year 1992, badminton was first played as a Olympic game. 16 feathers are used to make the shuttlecock. So there are 16 feathers are used to make the shuttlecock. It weighs between 4.74 and 5.5 grams. So the weight of the 16 feather between 4.74 and 5.5 grams. So badminton was first played as a sport in the Olympic in the year 1992 and there are 16 feathers are used to make the shuttlecock. So it weighs between 4.74 and 5.5 grams. Have you understood children? Badminton. Next, tennis. Tennis is a game that is played indoor or outdoors. So tennis is a game that is played as indoor game as well as outdoor game. It involves two players when playing singles and four players. So it will be, look at the picture, it will be played as two player or single or four players. When playing doubles, so look at the picture, when playing doubles they play 4 members. If it is single, there are 2 players involved in the game. So it involves 2 players when playing single. When playing single, there are 2 members only play the game. If it is double, if it is playing double players, there are how many players? There are 4 players. So tennis played as indoor as well as outdoor. It involves 2 players when playing single game and 4 players when playing double. So look at the picture. If it is single, there will be 2 players involved. If it is double, there will be 4 players. So today we learnt 2 outdoor games. One is badminton and the other one is tennis. Next, look at here. The first tennis ball were made up of wolf. So the first tennis ball were made up of wolf or hair wrapped up in leather. So the ball is made up of wolf. Now we see the book exercises. Let us find out more about some outdoor games. First one, in which sport will we find a bowler and a wicket keeper? So tell me children, option A, cricket, option B, volleyball, option B, football. So tell me children, in which sport we will find a bowler and wicket keeper? Very good, cricket. Look at the picture on the right and name the sport. So look at the picture and you have to name the sport. First one, cricket. Option 2, baseball. Option 3, football. Which is correct? Very good. Third one is correct, football. Which sport did Sachin Tendulkar play? Option A, hockey. Option B, tennis. Option C, cricket. So tell me children, which one is correct? Which sport did Sachin Tendulkar play? Very good, Sachin Tendulkar play cricket. Which of the following is an Indian tennis player? So have to identify which one is Indian tennis player. Option A, Sania Mirza. Option B, Virat Kohli. Option C, Saina Nehwal. Option A is correct. Sania Mirza is an Indian tennis player. MS Dhoni is a cricket player. Tell me children, true or false? Very good, it is true. MS Dhoni is a cricket player. Exercise 2. Look at the picture. So have to look at the picture. In which sport do you find this? So you have to identify which sport do you play with this. Tennis, basketball, baseball. Tell me children, which one is correct? Very good. Basketball. Quiz time. Quiz time. First one, a doubles match in tennis involves dash player. Tell me children. Option A 2, option B 4. So the double game match in tennis involves how many players? Very good, 4 players. Second one, the game of cricket originated in option A India, option B England, option C Brazil. Option B is correct. The game of cricket originated in England. The game of football involves 11 players in each side. Tell me it's true or false? It is true. Googly is a team used in dash. So this team is used in option A baseball, option B cricket, option C tennis. So Googly is a team used in cricket. The Aga Khan Cup is related to which sport? So the Aga Khan Cup is related to hockey sport. So in this class we have learned some sports and outdoor games and their names. So for your book exercises, refer the PDF which is attached with this video. You have to complete exercise 1, 2, 3 in your GK textbook. We will meet in the next class. Have a nice day children. Thank you.